Chapter 6, Data Types. Data types in Excel can be primarily text or string, a numeric, dates, or Boolean. So a text field would be something like this. A numeric field would be something like this. A date could be like 1st Jan 2018. And a Boolean could be true or false. Could even be a 0 or a 1. Also note that a text or a string does not necessarily mean that the value has to be an alphabet. For instance, if I write number 1 within quotes, it becomes a string. Also, if I write a combination of a string and a numeric, is again classified as a string. I would also like to touch upon a small point that Boolean is generally used for comparison. So let's say we have a number here in this cell and we have another number in this cell. If I compare both the cells by writing cell C6 equal to cell D6, we get a false because 1 is not equal to 2. But if I make the values similar, then it becomes true, which means the comparison holds true. On the same lines, let's say I write number 1 here and I write within quotes number 1. So this number is a numeric while this one is a string, and the outcome is false because this string is not comparable to a number. And that's most commonly used data types in Excel, and they're also the most misleading ones. So what I mean by that is, let's say I have a date here which is quite obvious that it's 1st Jan 2018, but the moment I change the formatting to something like this, so then it could be misleading in the sense that, say it's, so do I read it as 1st June 2018 or do I read it as 6th of Jan? That's one of the problems that's mostly encountered while handling dates in Excel. So a very simple solution is just change the format back to something like this. So it is a quite easy indicator of what the month and the date is. To handle it more in detail, we will discuss it under the section formatting, but for the time being, we can say that dates need a right formatting so that the end user can easily understand it.